30 seconds.
Alright, let's get it. That's a good thing, huh? You ready, Digi? Let's do this. All right, we always go. Yes, it's Monday, and you know how we do it every single Monday. We go.
Crystle Lightning feels so good to be back.
Crystle, and we're glad to have you back. We missed you, and we're going to talk about that in a little while. After the mix, we got our boy DJ InDJnous on the ones and twos tonight, and we got a lot of stuff to talk with him as well, because he's got a lot of new music and stuff coming through. So we'll get into it, man. DJ, you ready?
You know it.
Let's do this.
Go. Check, 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 check. Check 1 2, check 1 2, check 1 2.
Colors busy, you been bruising your fabrics. Feathers were everywhere, them shit's bloody.
There we go, DJ InDJnous on the ones and twos.
Profiling, posted on the ad, pink and polo, so solid. Smoking on the bag of diesel, dollar, effervescent, refreshing. The best at, Sean shit, good hood, maybe the best at. Never mind that, shit don't matter. Better rhyme, clever lines, shit don't matter. Every line that's ever mine, shit smoke rappers forever. I'm millimeter, non-gorilla, ether divine. Shit to share, shoot the fair shot of gun. Shoot the shit to your shit shot. Should've shot a fair one. The nicest, Sean Prices. A ape in this apex.
Bamboo shoots and fresh fruits. Termite larvae, listen what the gods say. Sing a sad song like Shaye.
I'ma eat your food like this fucker for entree.
Rusty Jukes is an ape in his apex. Roll like my dick busting out of the latex. Great sex out the great Lex, wet up your Rex. You exchange gay sex for paychecks.
Feel your energy, hey, it's coming. I feel your energy, hey, it's coming. I feel your energy, hey, it's coming. Took me, I said, hey, get in next to me. Plus made some enemies, hey, invested in. So I feel your energy. Invested pursuit.
Never read the 48 line. The power of the dusty make a grown man cry. The day I came upon my mama, I saw a grown man cry. They say it has magic powers, even magic ain't die. Wake your body to sleep and take a 3 AM car ride. He said the booty, only thing between him and God. They love the booty, sacrifice their family and job. Bash make police feel powerful in the hood. Guns powerful, but they don't do no good. I know my blackness powerful and they don't like that. I know some niggas so dead, sit back and watch them tap dance. Bombs over Baghdad, to have a flag to brag about. Don't make you a big boy, cause you got a nice stack. Carolina homeboy, you know we keep a stack. How is power when you know the game? I'm feeling champ now. I went to rap, homie, get out the trap house. I want the power to be able to rap about what I rap about. Black child, God-loving textiles, point blank, death smile, Steph Curry projectile. I saw the goal from 8 Mile. Every stone you threw, I picked it up and built a powerhouse. Caught a case, I got murder in my profile. Niggas still billing me, see that's just the appeal of me. Respect on my name, why y'all niggas so emotional? Power.
I feel your energy, hey, it's
the way around as meteor shines. I watch the stars fall, fall, fall. Yeah, that's what you call power.
Let's talk about power. Let's talk about yours and ours to pay the allowance. Let's talk about 100,000 kids raving and bouncing. Craving and drowning in words the day I pronounce it. Let's talk about power. Let's talk about doers and donors. The house I built when I was homeless and sleeping in corners. Sharing Coronas and Blackie Miles. Donuts and El Caminos, talking loud. Scraping and residue.
You don't even know me. You don't even know me. You don't even know me. You don't even know. You don't even know me. You don't even know. You don't even know me. You don't even know me. You don't even know me. You don't even know. 16 bars, cost 16 cars. Kiss these balls, bitch, we stars. Fuck that shit, you ain't hot like Prince. Got a little shine, but not like this. Time crumbles when the give 5 rumbles. All from what I did last summer. But motherfuckers forget till I'm back up on the set and every motherfucking jump shot wet. Same outfit every day like a cartoon. They'll never find you in a shark suit, and there will never be a part 2. Shit, you're looking at some motherfucking art.
Boy, you got 6 minutes on that jack. Here, that shit is real.
Yo, check this shit out, man.
Hey, yo, go, give me a cigarette, man.
Yo, here you go. Check it out, man. Check out what I got here, man.
What is that? What's that?
Yo, it's a letter I got from my man Nas, man. Where was born.
What up, kid? I know shit is rough doing your bit.
Not Italian, so no medallion around my neck. I leave them off my chest like a cardiac arrest or heart attack from stress. Let's keep it intact like tour dates on the map. Let me see for myself and prove the fact that the 21 years of welcome back. 21 years of my life. 21 years, 21 years of my life.
perpetrators. Ha, 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 busting out the perpetrators. Busting out the perpetrators. Busting out the perpetrators.
Hey yo, I catch niggas running like hoes, rip screens from they doors, leave y'all with 1 foot and 5 toes. Any way it goes, I suppose I was blessed with flows. You now in tune with the illest micros. Long term, only concern, about to make the spot burn. Had yours and now I'm having my turn. Flashback, ripping that minimal ass crack. The high road, looking at taking the fast track. I only want to build with skill, lay my vocals to the real. No need for managers and weak deals. Trying to bring mass appeal, brothers need the mass and gill. Good shout the box, smash spots. Never tote Glocks, no guns, only toting large funds. Look out because you just found the ones coming for your ass to blast. It's the soul father Rash, you trash about to stack the real cash.
Not the perpetrators. Ha, let's go. Not the perpetrators.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I found it. I want you to meet the baddest motherfucker in town. Right on. Go ahead.
Who is it? Well, it's Grand Pooba, honey. With my man Stud Doogie Love. Dropping 2,000. Dig the way this go down. Check it. I hit a flow off, dipped in low, sit back and sip mo as I count my dough. Grand Pooba Maxwell, Doogie, coming with the New York. We keep it real like jail when we might talk. Honeys know cause when I'm in a set, Grand Pooba is the one who makes they stink box wet. So let me tell you something, lady, when your flow is floating, it's all cream and baby. I made this one for the brothers in the party, to find a hearty and dance party to party. Step 1, first you grab honey by the waist. Step 2, then you move out of ghetto face. Step 3, then you look a dead in the face. Step 4, now it's time to leave this place. Hold up, be careful of the teasers, the one who wants the money and the visas. I'ma tell honey straight off the back, so please don't even go there with that. Dig it. This was designed to make the spine in your back whine. Grand Pooba, nice setup for you every time. Can you say what's up, city?
Nah, I mean, just kick back in the studio with my man, he double kept loud. Yeah. Just thinking back, yo, how large we be, you know what I mean? Yeah. To them cats out there hustling them demos, keep the faith, keep hustling. Know what I mean? Yeah. Like this, check it. I was cooling in my car one day, you see, clocking a double nickel on the LIE. When it dawned on us that it was 10 o'clock, turn on the tunes to hear the DJ rock. The hands got the clapping, the fingers start to snapping. Eating, I was cooling, wrinkling spirits, we were snapping, coming in and out of fantasy on how large we can get. Cooling rocks and Benzes with the ground effect kits. I wanted black, Eve was on the two-tone. Snoop the booming system with the hand-free phone. The dream gets better and I would like to go on, but we was brought back to reality by a intruder of a horn. Smoke everywhere, oh just what we needed. A meeting at 12 in the car overheated. Feeling real low enough to die. Holding up traffic on the FDR drive. That's how we work. That's what we do. That's how we work. That's what we do. That's how we work. That's what we do. I know. Yeah, I know. Pink limousine, y'all.
Oh, is he crazy?
I spend my money too fast.
Hip hop survivor, you know I get it live.
And when I'm playing ball, I'm still getting pick last.
Move my words to the beat like a cheap taxi driver.
But that's alright, baby bubba. I'll be making some cash.
My heroes are De Niro, Pacino, and
And
MacGyver.
you gon' call me Pigeon John, and I'ma call you not.
Use my thoughts when I spit and I get deep like a dive.
Jump up like a chimpanzee. Little ladies wiggle and come see we. Little dribble, the riddle is symphony. Bouncing on the waves in the great throne sea. Cookbook, he be getting the freaks.
Every single day?
No, every single week. See, this is the song that makes your girlfriend dance. And if you don't buy my record, I got my headband. So take a hijack.
If you're bumping this in the kitchen, just cook. If you're watching us do it live, listen and look. If you're booty into the track, then just do it. If you're bumping this in the top, then just wait. If you're bumping this while in traffic, just wait. If you're trying to finish your homework, just do it.
Now.
Yo, 6 minutes to showtime, I was out in the rain with my nigga Big Pooh going over some things. No money in our pockets, just a buck and some change. Ran up in the hideaway with niggas screaming our names. Took the stage like a jet soaring, wildin' out with the sweat pouring. Till I woke up hoarse the next morning, and ill feeling that it brings about. To see niggas mouthing your words and you ain't even got a single out. On stage filling your spot, it's the equivalent of 10 adrenaline shots. Just like Legacy and Sean Boog when they killin' the rock. Ain't gotta worry about if niggas just pretending it's hot. Cause I can see they hands in the air waving, heads bobbing, neck snapping back and forth, about to break that shit. Man, I appreciate that shit. Thanks for showing us love, and to the top we finna take that shit. For y'all, for y'all, for y'all.
That's right, man. He's back. InDJnous,
back,
man. Live in the mix, killing it as usual, man.
Thank
you. My brother's always spinning somewhere, and you could run it down for him, but I know I gotta say it. This Thursday, man, over at the Observatory in OC, Psycho Realm, man, the 20-year anniversary, man, of the original project, bro.
Can you believe it's been 20 years?
I can't. I really can't.
I mean, wow.
Because we've been bumping that, man. You know, MC Red Cloud knows what's up with the Realm, man. You know what I'm saying? So, but you're gonna be spinning there this Thursday.
Yeah, I'll be there this Thursday. You know, opening up and playing in between sets.
Dope.
Come through. And you never know. I still might be there too. I
might
Me
be.
too.
Probably gonna do it. I'm like the guy they hire to do stage dives because everybody can carry me real easy. So I might do that. I might jump off the stage or some shit. Hey, what else you got jumping off though, man?
Man, right now just been focusing on making music. Finally gonna release a single this month, so you'll be hearing that this month, and you'll see me post about it.
But you haven't decided officially when yet, right? It's like coming though.
Yeah, it's this month. I just haven't decided which date, but this month for sure.
It's a surprise.
And who's the single? Can we say who's on the single, man?
Yeah,
This is off his project that he produced.
Yeah, I got Tanya Morgan. It's a duo from Brooklyn and Cincinnati, and I got Blue from here. Blue in Exile.
There it is right there, man. And a lot of dope features going to be on this project, man. InDJnous been doing his production thing for a while. You see him spinning everywhere, but now he's going to make sure people know about the production side.
I love it when DJs produce too.
Oh, hell yeah. I mean, because they know the best, the way the music sounds, you know what I'm saying? So, or how it should
They
sound.
can create exactly what they want to hear.
That's right. Hey, speaking of DJs, man, DJ Crystle Lightning's also in the building. Hey, let me, we missed you first of all, Crystle.
I missed you. You guys missed me.
Yes. No, we really did, man. Crystle, you can go ahead and let them know, but she's been working. She took a little break from this side over here, but she was, doing her thing. Go ahead and let them know.
Yeah, I was in Vancouver, Canada for 4 months. I was,
4 months.
Yeah, I was filming a TV show there and DJing. I got a residency spot at Celebrities Nightclub in Vancouver downtown, so that was dope because it kept me busy on my weekends that I wasn't shooting.
When you weren't filming,
Yeah, and it was just a breath of fresh air to get out of my comfort zone here in LA, even though LA is my home. It felt really good, and I got to get back in touch with my culture. I'm Native American, so I was on the reservation and I was like going to ceremonies, and it was really, really dope. I came back to LA like refreshed, like, what's up, LA? I'm back.
I was mentioning off air, like, I think I need to go somewhere, like, for a little
It's
while.
really good, even if it's for a week and you get away from the norm. You know what I mean? You come back
And then come back a little refreshed and do it righteous, man. So hey, real quick, we do gotta touch on it, man. Condolences to all the families and everything that was affected by that thing that happened yesterday, last night, whatever it was, man. Whatever it is, one madman that they're not calling a terrorist
Las
yet,
Vegas,
multiple madmen, whatever it is, the true story, but people were affected and lives and families were affected. So condolences to all them.
Condolences and Puerto Rico and all the travesties that have been happening all over the world. And I have to say, it's as far as Puerto Rico, Fat Joe, Jay-Z, they stepped up to the plate real quick. They're already sending packages and
it's kind of like just like we do when we do community work, which you guys know of. You guys are always involved in it as well. It's the same thing. It's like if we don't help our own, like it's almost like we can't trust the higher ups to do it for us.
Absolutely.
Like we have to take matters into our own hands sometimes.
Absolutely.
So man, shouts out to everybody that was affected, man, and condolences. And then real quick, man, rest in peace, man, Slip Capone. I just found out he passed today. Real good dude. For those that don't know, like he was in the CPO, Boss Hog, and all that. He did some stuff with Death Row back in the days. He had his own solo career, doing a lot of stuff badass. He worked with a bunch of different people, but dude was like, he was one of those dudes that had kind of his own lane, and he was different. But when you would sit down and talk to him, like he was so smart, like a smart dude. And I got to kick it with him a few times, so it kind of like caught me off guard that he passed today.
Man, and also Tom Petty. I think he's
Petty.
on life support, but in the rock
we don't
and roll
know if
world,
it's official, but damn, man, Tom
so
Petty.
instant. Like I was just gonna go to his concert a few months back too, and he's a legend in the rock and roll world.
I was just talking about that, like before I go, because I might go before these guys, like the Rolling Stones. Like they're like 90 and still doing shows. No, but Rolling Stones and Tom Petty were a couple of groups that I want to see perform live.
Me too.
And now I can't do that with Tom Petty,
Me
but
too.
hopefully I can catch a fucking Rolling Stones concert by the time they're 100.
Right. And rock and roll heaven, man, they're having a party up there right now.
Yeah, for reals. We lost a lot of good music people this year, man. But we like to keep it lighthearted, upbeat, good vibes on the B-side, so that's what we're going to do. That's why InDJnous kills it in the mix like he always does. We'll be right back after this new video. This is the new King Little G with MC Sinatra, Consequences. We'll be right back, man. Donnie Proctor's in the building.
Got no friends in his life. Sleep with one eye open and one on the strap. I know
about those consequences. My G's doing the longest sentence. Streeters got it on lock again. Weed is like my oxygen. They say they got probable cause on the bins. Say the description to Mexican. Fuck it, I gotta go flex again. Ignore these bitches when they text again. They say the king, this was hot. Now I drive around in the top down. I sent you money, you was locked down. My brother Kato, he got out. Now I miss knowing from my old
Shaye,
team.
can you
The
turn
newest
me up a
bitches
little
can't
bit,
get
please?
over me. I know she wishes she was home with me. Tatted in, I got some gold on me. I've been with the king a lot. I've been moving king a lot. I've been moving weight a lot. I don't wanna face the try to D it. Got me rated now. I just relocated now. Think I got some haters now. My bitch better have my baby now. Yeah, my name is MC Ho. Bitch, I ain't too friendly, ho. My homies were fake, so they all had to go. You should feel blessed when I walk through the door. Do you know someone that's grinding like me? You ain't seen no one that's higher than me. You ain't met no one that's flyer than me. DM your bitch and she's dying to me. Just fucked on once, now she crying to me. She tells me I'm loving your style, MC. I just wanna have your child, MC. Detectives coming in, they asking for me. But I've been on tour, so I'm not even home. Don't like to talk, so I'm not on the phone. I don't trust no one, I'm always alone. I don't trust no one, I roll with the chrome. I've been with this gang a lot. I've been moving cane a lot.